Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive and stylish ideas of highlights in short hair. Beautiful and latest collection of highlights you see in this video. And so beautiful collection with short haircut. And trendy ideas of highlights. Many much more beautiful collection of highlights in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Different ideas of highlights. Many much more different ideas, designs, collection of highlights you see in this video. Some ideas: full hair highlights, cap highlights, sticks highlights. Some ideas: foil highlights, full hair, and some ideas only bang highlights. And some ideas front ear to ear highlights. And so beautiful shade and very attractive base color of highlights. Blonde hair dye, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde with dark base color. Some ideas in burgundy highlights with dark base color. And some collection funky highlights with light base color. And many much more beautiful collection of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally. And some collection make curl with curler, with crimper, with roller. Very beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and many much more collection of messy hairstyle. And overall collection latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my videos, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video. Take care and bye bye.